Come on! Let's go! Go! Oh my God! Go!
Storming is here.
Get out! Your fault! There's a watering can right there. Watering can right there. What happened? Of course. You didn't hit it. It's very colorful. Let's see.
Another one?
I think it's out.
See what happens if you aim it straight up. Aim at the trees. Right up there.
Oh, did you see that person?
Oh yeah.
Probably the one. Oh, that. Wait, let's look at that back one. You see that back one? Here's the white thing down there. Right. It's right up there. See that sound? Yeah. They should have. They're recording. Take that one over. There's a little tree back there. Probably no, he's not going to get that. It looks really close, but it's actually really close. And he went. It's actually really colorful. It's colorful and like that. Let's move away. I think it's out. Don't aim it up there. Just aim it over there. We don't want to get hit.
We're good.
I almost tripped over that. Stupid. No, I'm standing on it. Did you get it? I think. Try again.
Okay, get closer.
Okay.
Into the propane cage.
I'm aiming for the whole thing. I had this whole thing on. Did you see? It was right.
Straight through, like.
It went right over there. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Wait.
for-
Look at that
Let's go
machine in
for
our
the
shed.
mulch, right there. Next
The
to
mulch.
target.
The target. Target is
Alright,
right.
ready? Right next to it.
Whoa. Target is right there. Yeah, that's the target.
Alright, now I'm gonna aim for the target.
Again, looks like it actually shattered. Like, shattered. Of course.
Alright, guys, it's time to check out the BB gun that I'm shooting. Here it is, right here.